Today, we will see the story of tea from page number 20 to 21. In this part, we will see how did tea first come to India. Historians think that tea had been known in India as a medical plant since ancient times. Ancient means Prachin. But tea was not drunk for pleasure until the British began to establish plantation in the 19th century. Means British started tea plantation in 19th century. In the 1770, the British East India Company made several unsuccessful attempts to grow tea in Bhutan and Assam. Means British East India Company started the tea plantation in 19th century. 1770, the British East India Company made several unsuccessful attempts to grow tea in Bhutan and Assam with the seed from China. Means they took seeds from the China and they started to plant them in Bhutan and Assam, but their attempt become unsuccessful. Although these attempts means prayatna, these attempts failed. The botanist Robert Bruce in 1823 discovered tea plants growing wild in the upper Brahmaputra valley. Means name of the botanist Robert Bruce. He was the person who discovered at the first time some tea plants were growing in the wild of the upper Brahmaputra valley. ब्रह्मपुत्रा जी व्हॅली आहे त्याच्या आजूबाजूला टी जंगलांमध्ये जी झाडं आहेत हे त्याने फाउंड आउट केलं, त्याने शोधून काढलं. In May 1838, the first Indian tea from Assam was sent to England for public sale. Since the India has gone on to become one of the leading producers of the tea in the world. Tea lovers claim that tea may be able to reduce risks of cancer. How is tea useful to us? At the first one, the tea is reduce the risks of cancer, control our pressure, blood pressure, fight viruses in our body, and actually help us live longer. Our body produces chemical called free radicals. There are so many chemicals our body produce. We call it radicals, and these chemicals can damage our body and our health. Tea contain antioxidants called flavonoids. In the tea there is a element which we call flavonoids. Scientists believe these flavonoids helps to protect our system against the free radicals. For many people, tea is popular drink to have with friends. In many countries around the world, tea drinking is an important social occasion. Japan, China, Russia, and Korea have special tea ceremonies and traditions. Traditions means parampara. These ceremonies give people the time to relax and enjoy the taste and the smell of the tea. Most people in Japan belong to tea club where they go every week to take part in this ceremony. Ordinary people feel that tea ceremonies are spiritual occasions that are closely associated with their religion. Tea, they say, Miss Japanese people say, is a healthy, enjoyable, and stimulating drink full of good qualities. It reduces loneliness and calm your heart. It is a comfort in everyday life. Many Korean today still have tea ceremonies for important occasions including special birthdays and anniversaries. The most area of the China, tea is made in a small clay teapot. We call it a kettle. In that kettle, they made the tea. That kettle is made from clay. And tea ceremonies, cups are only half filled. The Chinese believe that the first rest of the cup must be filled with friendship and affection. Means they only filled during the ceremonies, they only filled half cup of the tea. According to them, rest of the cup must be filled with friendship and affection. Then in Russia, tea is made and served in samovars, a special Russian tea kettle made of metal. This is a samovars, Russian tea kettle. It is made from the metal. Vietnam produces special varieties of the tea such as lotus tea and jasmine tea. In Japan, tea is made using powder green tea called matcha. The tea is mixed with the boiled water and using bamboo wicks and served in small bowls. And how about India? A cup of tea is offered to any guest or visitor as a token of hospitality, even the humblest of homes. Most Indians like their tea hot with good deal of milk and sugar in it. In the rainy season, it is brewed with ginger to give additional medicinal properties. Others add spice like cardamom, cloves, or mace to add to its taste and flavor. Tea is a must. Tea is a must after a plate of spicy snack, especially in the morning and evening. Some connoisseurs release delicately flavored jasmine tea, green tea, lemon tea, and even iced tea. What about you?